Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to do a McDonald's mukbang. Now, I've done a lot of mukbangs before, and I absolutely love mukbangs. What's that at the back? I've done a Pizza Hut one, I've done... So there's... I've done many ones before. Oh, I'm just going to get the tomato sauce. Sorry, I forgot to get it. So I wish I could sit like that. I hope you're all ready for a massive feast, because I'm so hungry. So, I hope you're all really, really hungry with me, because is that better? I'm absolutely starving, and I don't like the camera. Right, there we go. I'm trying to get the tree up in the back because it's my Christmas tree. But I'm really conscious about the lighting. So, this is a massive McDonald's mukbang. Ugh, I don't like the way it's looking. So what I have today is a Big Mac. And I can't fit everything in the frame because it's so much. But I'm going to try and do a thumbnail. So I have 20 chicken nuggets. I need to start eating because I've just literally picked it up from the McDonald's. It's already gone cold. I have a Big Mac, a buffalo crispy wrap, a hamburger, fries. I'm going to have to put in the microwave. Let me just put them here. I'm going to put all the food on the table. This is going in the microwave. Oh my god. I'm just going to put the fries in the microwave. Real quickly. Because I don't like cold fries. And the chicken nugget here. Now, Big Mac. Is there. I love McDonald's, absolutely love McDonald's. I have a hamburger here, my wrap, I'll eat later, and these are the chicken nuggets. And I have a chili, sweet chili sauce, sweet and sour, barbecue sauce, ketchup, and barbecue again. And also I have a Fanta orange. I'm so hungry. And I've also got some Aldi's ketchups because I'm not paying the prices for ketchup. And I have some mayo too. So let's get started, guys. I don't know if I'm going to be able to eat all this. I might not talk a lot. I'm so hungry. I'm just gonna have a bite of my Big Mac. I've not had McDonald's in forever. Now, I ordered a buffalo wrap, and I just wanted to try it, but I don't like buffalo sauce. I've just literally got the chicken, crispy chicken. I've got the sweet chili sauce. I'm going to put that with the wrap. Oh, I just love dipping sauces. McDonald's has to be my favourite food. Fast food. Just gonna put in the background.
I love joy to the world, but because you're...
So I hope everyone's having an amazing day. I am. It's really dark and gloomy. As you can see in the background, I have my Christmas tree up. We've had it up for some time now. And I absolutely love it. It's a 7-foot Christmas tree. It's so nice. I wish I had somewhere to sit on. So let's get eating because I don't want everything to go cold. So yes, my tree's been up since, is it November? No, the end of November because I went to Cyprus. And we wouldn't have had the time to put it up afterwards. I wanted, you know, a bit longer to enjoy the tree. So that's why we put it up a bit earlier. I'm loving this. Another chicken nugget. I'm going to open some barbecue, I think. So Christmas is just around the corner. I'm actually prepared. I was actually sat on the beach ordering Christmas presents in the pool this year while I was in Cyprus. I've got so much food. I'm not speaking a lot, am I? It's too dark. I don't like this. So my lips, I had my lips done again about 3 days ago. Now, because of the angle, they don't look that big. I don't think, anyway. So now I've had 2 mil. I could easily go for another mil. I can understand why people say it's so addictive. Definitely. But I love it. You know, do what makes you happy. That's all you can do. If people don't like it, then who gives a shit? You know. People always like to judge on other people. Have, you know, say their say on everything. And it's not fair. It's not up to other people what you do with your own life. It's up to you. Because you can only live your own life. Hope you can see everything. I don't feel like you can. Not better. Yeah. Now I'm going to try, what can I try? The fiery wrap. I don't think I'm going to be able to eat all this. I'm so full already. Now, my McDonald's favourite wrap is sweet chili chicken, but I wanted to try something different. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make it a sweet chili wrap by putting some sweet chili in it. Oh, I should use my nail. That's really disgusting, but it's only me, isn't it? So, okay. So thirsty. Oh, I'm getting full. I could have just dipped it, couldn't I, in the sauce? Stupid. See, I don't need a lot for food to feel full. Oh my god. Now, what's your favourite fast food restaurant? Is it McDonald's? Is it KFC? We don't have like Wendy's and all that over here. Oh, I can't eat any more of those, I'm so full. We have just McDonald's, KFC. Taco Bell. Ow. I just bit my lip. And we have Nando's. Right. I've never been to Nando's. I just think it's like a glorified chicken. You can buy chicken in Tesco's, can't you? And then, I don't know. I'm just sick of Diet Coke, to be honest. So what's everyone's plans for Christmas? I am going to see my family at Christmas and spend some time with them. I'd love to do a mukbang, a Christmas mukbang, but I don't fancy having my Christmas dinner as much as I love you guys without my family, and it would be a bit strange, so I don't think that's going to happen. Unless you've got any ideas of something I can do before, because mukbangs are really working for me. Like, I've never had so many views in my videos as I do with these. It's just unbelievable. So happy and over the moon. I don't want that, it's just wrap. Oh, I'm so full. I don't know. Hamburger I'm not going to eat because it's pretty simple, isn't it, hamburger? Just have a look at one of these. Now, who has mayo with ketchup? Am I the only one? so good. It's gonna be my last one, guys. Oh, I'm so full. How do I get so full so quickly as well? I just don't, since I was starving. It's probably that Fanta, to be honest. It does fill me up with bubbles. Right, guys, so I hope you've enjoyed this mukbang. I love McDonald's. It's literally the best fast food ever. I hope you have an amazing rest of the week. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. And don't forget to click the little notification bell to be notified when I next upload. And I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye. Look at my lips. What a mess.